What if you could finally understand the stock market, not just the hype, but how it really works, and use it to build real wealth? No more guessing, no more gambling, no more feeling left behind. This YouTube series breaks down stock trading like never before, from candlesticks to psychology, ETFs to earnings reports, day trading to long-term investing. You'll learn how to think like a trader, act like an investor, and build wealth like the wealthy do. In just a few minutes a day, you'll go from confused to confident. Whether you're brand new or just tired of spinning your wheels, after this you'll be able to read a chart like a story, spot opportunities like a pro, and know when to buy, sell, or hold. You'll have your own strategy, your own plan, and most importantly, your own power. No more blindly following Reddit threads, TikTok tips, or YouTube hype. This isn't just information, it's financial transformation. But if you don't watch this, you'll keep riding emotional roller coasters, chasing trends, and wondering why others win while you lose. The market doesn't care if you're clueless. It'll just take your money. Every missed opportunity, every bad trade is compounding against you. So if you're serious about mastering money and building freedom, don't just watch, commit. Start the Stock Trading Fundamental Series right now at Learn Wealthy. It's free, it's powerful, and it's made just for you.